I've been exploring the Aaptiv Audio Fitness app for a while now, and this video is my honest and unbiased review on the same. I'll cover all the main points, from key features to risks and considerations. So by the end of this video, you'll have a better understanding of this mobile app. Aaptiv is a fitness app built around guided audio and video workouts, aimed at people who want trainer-style instruction without going to a gym or staring at a screen the whole time. It suits beginners through more regular exercisers who like having structure and encouragement in their ear. The core experience centers on Smart Coach, which asks about your goals, fitness level, and preferences, then suggests a personalized plan with classes across running, walking, strength, yoga, stretching, and more. You can choose from thousands of on-demand sessions, track your stats over time, and even pair a heart rate device to train in specific zones, which can be helpful if you like clear targets during cardio. There are also multi-week programs and challenges, plus a community feed that lets you share progress and feel less alone in your routine. Many long-time users praise the trainer's coaching style, the variety of workouts, and the way the app helps them stick to home or treadmill workouts they would otherwise avoid. However, it's not without flaws. The app runs on a subscription model with a monthly or annual fee, so it makes the most sense if you plan to use it regularly rather than occasionally. Some reviewers mention they dislike certain music options or prefer older curated playlists, and like any large app, updates can introduce bugs that need patching, even though the developers do push regular bug fixes and improvements. A few users also wish for more programs tailored to specific equipment, like spinning or elliptical, or additional features such as nutrition guidance. Overall, Aaptiv is a solid choice if you value coach-led audio workouts, structured plans, and the flexibility to exercise at home, outdoors, or in the gym with minimal screen time. If you're sensitive to subscription costs, prefer fully visual follow-along videos, or want highly specialized programming, you may find the trade-offs less appealing. But for many people looking for motivating, guided sessions, it can be a helpful companion. Well, that's all for this video. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, make sure you give this video a super thanks by clicking on the heart icon to help support the channel. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button. We'll see you in the next one.